I'm Tom Seuffert.
And Terry.
They're right behind our house. So we knew you guys were there, and we'd always paid attention. We weren't ready to put a roof on for a couple of years, but when we were ready, we knew where to go.
He
So
came
Matt's
over
with
and
you,
did a
yeah.
thorough, investigation of our roof, our house, our attic, and found issues.
Yeah, we found more than just the roof. Obviously, when your roof goes bad, it affects the rest of your home. And he identified the problems and spoke about ways to fix them. There were several different options for different budgets, so it was nice that you weren't pressured into doing something or nothing. We had options, and we took those options and we worked with it. They showed up on time that morning, and
yes.
The crew was amazing.
Amazing.
The crew was strictly amazing.
Amazing.
They were hardworking, thorough, cleaned up. The cleanup was exceptional.
Yes.
I haven't found a nail yet. Afterwards, the owner, Paul came over, and
yes.
he wanted to do some things that we had originally left out of our estimate because it was a little more pricier than what we wanted, but he felt it needed to be done, and he actually had it done for us. He did a little bit more than he had to, and we appreciated it greatly. The subroofing was rotted.
Rotted. Our exhaust fans were hooked up.
The kitchen fan wasn't even hooked up, so it was just blowing over in that section of the home. The bathroom fan, I was in the process of putting a new fan in at the time, so there was a little issue there. One of the guys stepped through the roof. From the roof, yeah.
Yeah, and they repaired everything.
Yeah. It's security for our home. We're both getting ready to retire. The job done, we know we don't have to worry about for 30 years. And that's what we were looking for, and that's what we're so happy about.
They worked late.
Yeah. We bought them dinner one night.
We bought them dinner.
Yeah.
I felt so bad.
Yeah,
it was hot. They had to be hungry. They were respectful.
They were just good people.
Yeah.
They were good people.
Hardworking.
Yeah, very hardworking. I've never seen people work that hard. So we opted to have the copper stripping installed, which when it rains, water hits the copper, runs down, and it creates some type of chemical reaction that kills the moss. So I'm really excited to see that next spring, how it controls it. I'm resting easy with it. And my roof is done, and it's done right. And we did recommend you to some friends out
in
Long
Greece.
Pond, up in Greece, up by the lake. They can call us. You can give them our number, and they can call us, and we'll tell them what happened here. And it was a great experience.
Yeah.